Welcome to my new cooking show. I'm hungry. I just want to fry up something real quick. Let's get to it. Here, 1 egg. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. The chicken already cleaned and prepped. Now, mix up the egg here. Oh yeah, forget the main thing. You got to have flour. You gotta have flour. You gotta have some flour. Alright. Get my old trusty knife. This knife is old, but I still love it. You know, it's sliced and diced. Season on it. You got your salt. Make sure you don't put too much now. A little pepper. Up. Dropping shit already. Garlic powder. Do that for both sides. Dipped in the eggs. Alright. Dip it in your eggs. See that? And then let it drip off. And make sure while you're doing this, you got the grease over there warming up. Alright, mix it up. Put the flour on it, you know. Gonna be some good chicken, I'm telling you. Fry it right. Don't try to rush it. Now we got that prepped and ready to go. Alright. That's how you check it. Get a little water on your fingers, you know, and then just splash it. See if it starts sizzling. Start sizzling, that's one way you can tell it's ready. A little too hot. My old-fashioned pot. When I got a whatchamacallit right there, you know, but just haven't got around to using it yet. So some of my future videos, I'll make sure I use it. But for right now, do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, got that up in there. Go over here and wash your hands. Always wash your hands. Let's use a regular size fork. Alright. So you got space. It's gonna be some good ass chicken, man. I'm telling you what. Make sure you fry it right, you know. It's all about timing and letting it fry at a good temperature. You know, kind of like close to a medium high or a medium. I like a medium high because I'm hungry. I don't got time with it. I learned it from my mama. Oh, dirty bastard. I learned it from my mama. Yo, this chicken is about done, man. You don't want it to get hard, you know. Look at that. You don't want it to get hard. It's getting kind of hard a little bit, so. About to go ahead and take it out. Flip it one more time. That's the greatness, the sound of greatness, of delicious food. Yep, right here. Ready for you to be put right up in there so I can smash it. So I can smash you. I created you. I made you. Well, I seasoned you. You know. And I fried you up so I could eat you. That's what I did. But Got the vegetables over here. Got the chicken that's about done. That's about done, buddy. Alright. Go ahead and get this on now. Look at that. Look at that. Say the best for last too. Look at that. That was tender love right there. Woo! Getting hot. Look at that. That look good, don't it? That look good, don't it? That look good! Your boy could cook! Darrell, R.D.P. You mother effers! Oh shit.